Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yesterday I asked my nanny that
Hmm.
when the sun rises,
In the
but
morning.
I don't know actually. Yes, in the morning, but which time I don't know. My guess is that it starts at 7 o'clock because
No, no.
whenever I
Sun
woke up,
rises after 5:30. Means it start rising after 5 o'clock.
Ma'am,
yes,
say.
ma'am. My mom just told me. My
Hmm.
mom told me in the grade three that the sun rises at 5 o'clock.
And that
5 o'clock.
also I told you depend on your seasons.
Yes,
Whether it is in winter season, the sun rises little late compared to the summer season. Summers
yes,
में
ma'am.
sun rises early.
Yes, ma'am.
है
And
ना?
the sun sets at my grandmother told me that the sun sets
Hmm.
at 7 o'clock
In the
in our
summers, yeah, in
yes,
summers, but it is not in your society, it is in complete Gujarat.
yes,
Everywhere, you can say in everywhere, it is not especially if you ask about your society, it is not like that. In your
yes.
state it is, but it is changes from state to state, you can
Okay,
say.
ma'am.
Timings
Okay,
may
ma'am.
change from state to state, but if you are talking about only Gujarat, then the entire timing will be same. If
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
talking about
And
the different state, maybe some little 15 minutes, 20 minutes timing is changed.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I just searched yesterday that how many countries are there the French language is
Yes,
used.
yes, yes.
29.
Yes,
How
29.
many? 29.
29.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are some countries that only French is used, and there are some countries which
Hmm.
French and different languages are used. I don't know
Oh,
how many.
okay, good that you are doing this searching activities and doing this new things. Good. So, children, today, first I will ask few questions from you all based on the timings. I'll show you the timings in the clock,
Ma'am,
and I will ask what time
Excuse
this
me,
clock is
ma'am.
showing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the
yes,
yesterday's
right.
worksheet, I was having some doubts.
Hmm. Please ask which.
Ma'am, I was telling that
Hmm.
in some of the clocks I was not be understanding.
Later. Can you present the screen and show us this worksheet?
I Yes, of course. 1 minute, ma'am.
But till that time, I'll ask the clock, the time in the clock. Deer, Kavisha, Meet,
Ma'am, I have
Navya, turn on your
to
camera,
ask
please.
something.
Yeah, after
Ma'am,
Laisha.
can you see? Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my camera is not 1 minute, huh, ma'am? Um,
Go to class
which
work.
was the classwork? Okay, one
Yeah, go to
minute, huh,
class
ma'am.
work. Go to maths column.
Okay, next column. It's down for some wires. Um,
Yes.
this
Go to the
one.
worksheet 5. No.
It's
Go.
yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
The worksheet 4.
This one.
Hmm.
1 minute. Huh.
Yes.
I was about to not understand
Hmm.
these, this, and this. The three
See,
ones.
in the first one, it is
Not, no, no. This one.
this
Not
one.
this, but this one at the last one.
Again, you show your cursor
Over here.
over
In
here. Yeah.
yes.
So you see here the in the first clock what time it is showing?
The in the first one which the cursor I'm seeing,
Yes, yes.
it's 3:40.
3:40. And from 3:40 when it is 4 o'clock, how many minutes have passed?
Mm,
Ma'am, 30 minutes. Ma'am, 30 minutes.
30 minutes are enough, just count. The long
Ma'am,
hand is on
20
eight.
minutes. Ma'am,
ma'am,
20 minutes. 20. Ma'am,
ma'am,
Be quiet.
20
Quiet
minutes.
everyone.
Ma'am, you said three.
ma-
So
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
you said
La-
3:30 because.
Ma'am, 20 minutes.
Laisha, I am just talking with Laisha now. Please mute yourself, everyone. Laisha, it is on 8, and 8 means 40. And when it is going to
So
12, it
we
is 4 o'clock.
like we where it starts, where it ma'am means
Ends.
that where the first minute head comes, then till the which minute head comes, then we have to count like that, no?
No, you need to see what is the timing in the first clock, and then you see what is the timing in the second clock. Then
So
you can
that
compare what is the
means that
difference.
we have to count five minutes.
Yes, from 8 to 9,
So
5 minutes, 9 to 10,
um,
10 minutes, 10
five,
to 11, 15 minutes, and
10.
11 to 12, 20 minutes.
Oh, so it means there are 20 minutes.
Yes, got it now? In all the clocks, you do like this only, in all the clocks, and do
Okay,
and complete
because
this.
I was understanding this fourth one, I was just confused in the last one. That's why.
Okay, got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop presenting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you.
Ma'am, in yesterday's class, I have done half only. So, till which page you have done?
When I will start the textbook, then I will explain you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Because
Yes,
I have done till 38 page only.
I have explained till 39 yesterday.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
First
maths
first
class.
of all, I want to tell one again, repeating the same rule, same classroom, many times I am repeating. If one child is speaking, you need to wait for your turn. If you don't wait, I will not give you a chance to speak. Strictly, I'm telling, and again, I'm repeating this several times, the same thing, that you need to follow your class rules. Kavisha, Khush Desai, Varanya, Ahana, Deer, leave the class because your cameras are off. You please leave class, everyone. Deer, please leave class.
Ma'am, Ahana.
Ma'am, my is on only.
Again, I'm repeating the same rule for Ahana especially and for Arnav especially, that they need to wait for your turn. You need to wait for your turn, or you raise your hand, teacher will come to you, teacher will ask you and give you a time. If you don't wait, if you keep on telling me, ma'am, Ahana, ma'am will not listen. Ma'am will close her ears. Yes, Arnav Desai.
Yes, ma'am. I am saying, ma'am, tomorrow my network.
You always have network issue,
No,
and
ma'am,
you
network
always
issue.
excuse, ma'am, tomorrow. It was yesterday.
Was yesterday.
You want recording, no?
Yes,
Send me
because
the
my
mail.
okay, because
Send me
my
mail.
full
Children, this is the common announcement for you all. Whenever you miss your this class, and if you want the, please write the valid reason also why you have missed the class. And if you have missed the class, please write the reason in the mail. If you want the recording, then I will send you the recording. Without mail, I will not send. Before also, he had asked the same thing. One day he missed the class, he asked the same thing, but he have not mailed till now to me. So I will not send, because until and unless I will not get the mail, I will not send the recordings. Am I clear with you all? And personal
Yes,
issues
ma'am.
will not be discussed in between the class. Personal issues, you join 5 minutes before and discuss. Not in between the class. Yes, Ahana, tell me now.
Ma'am, I was in washroom, so that's why I have kept my camera off.
Okay. So now I am going to start the class, students. One by one, I will ask timing from you all. Yes, Varija, what time this clock is showing? And be quick then, otherwise I'll move to the
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
It's 9:55.
First of all, it is not 55.
Sorry, 9:50.
It is not 9:50 because the shorthand is between 8 and 9. When it is between 8 and 9, we read the small number, not the big number. When it is in between 9 and 10, we again read the small number.
Ma'am, but it's looking like 9. It's on 9. That's
No,
why.
when it is 9:50, then it will, the shorthand will come on between 9 and 10. This is 9:50. That was not 9:50 which I was showing you.
It's 8:50, ma'am.
It's 8:50. Got it, everyone? Now next child. Rishik Bajaj, be ready.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Personal issue after the class. Yes,
Ma'am.
Rishik Bajaj.
Ma'am, it is 10:10.
Yes, Mir Virani.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. What time this clock is showing?
Ma'am, it is 10:30.
30? Then 6 का क्या use है? 6 पे 30 होता है ना?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 10. Ma'am, it is 10. 10. Ma'am, it is 10:31.
31 कहाँ है बेटा? Exactly 7 पर सुई आ गई है. 5 minutes cross हो गए हैं 30 के बाद. 35. No, can I? I'll give chance to all the students. No, can I? If you don't get chance today, you will get the chance next day. Yet, hit Karsodia.
11:15.
11:15 को मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स में एक और तरीके से हम बोल सकते हैं.
Quarter past.
Quarter past 11. Quarter past 11. Very good. Children, always remember when it is quarter past, the long hand will be on 3. When it is half past, the long hand will be on 6. Now we can say half past 11. When it is half past, Arnav Desai, whatever you are doing, please keep this aside. Don't make me angry. This is half past 11. Yuk Surana, stable your camera, please. This is half past 11. Whenever we are talking about half past, the long hand will be on 6. And when we are talking about quarter to, the long hand always will be on 9. Now it is showing quarter to 12. What time this clock is showing? Kavisha, turn on your camera, please. Quarter to
12.
12. So always remember when we are talking about quarter to, the long hand will be on, wait Varija, the long hand will be on 9. When we are talking about half past, the long hand will be on 6. When we are talking about the quarter past, the long hand will be on 3. Am I clear with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yuk Surana. You want to ask something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Varija, wait. Yes, Yuk.
Ma'am, I have to ask that you have done till 39 page. So, only my 3 questions are left. That how in these days we are not going to school, so how can we write how
I will
long
tell you. I will tell you.
assembly
I
take
will
classes?
repeat. I will repeat it again. Okay, Varija, what is your query?
Ma'am, I have no queries. Ma'am, we are going out to Alibag at Friday, so we will come on Tuesday. So,
Discuss these personal pointers in the HRM period only.
okay, ma'am, I will call my mother and say you.
Yeah, HRM, not in this class.
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever students you have such pointers, you want to share the personal things with me, speak in the HRM only, not in the maths class. Because everyone will, we have limited timing for the studies. Now, we are going to learn, today's topic is about the time duration. Time duration, yesterday also we have done that when the minute hand is moving to the another number, how much time it has passed. Now we are learning if we are doing some activity. For example, Meer Virani, sit properly. Sit properly. Suppose, for example, you go for the play with your friends at in the evening at 4:30, and you are coming back at 7:30. How many hours you spend in playing with your friends? Yes, push
3
the side.
hours.
Ma'am, 3 hours.
Yes, 4:30 to 5:30, 5:30 to 6:30, and 6:30 to 7:30. 3 hours you spend. So how you have find out these? How to find the time duration taken for the activity? By counting the number of hours from starting time to the ending time. Okay, suppose you go for the shopping. You went for the shopping with your family members in the at 5:30, and you came back at 10:15 p.m. You went at 5:30 p.m. and you came back at 10:15 p.m. How many hours it has taken? Varija, Varinya, please try. Ahana, please try. Arnav Desai, please try and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 4 hours 45 minutes.
How? Now I will ask
Ma'am,
from
can I tell
Ahana.
you?
No.
6
I will
45.
ask from Ahana. Ahana, now tell me how you have calculated that going for shopping at 5:30 p.m. and if your mic is facing such problems, so please I request you to mute your mic for a minute. 5:30 p.m. you went for the shopping and you came back at 10:15 p.m. How many hours you went spent for the shopping?
Wait a minute.
Children, they tell me. Children, there are two ways to find 5 hours. Complete 5 hours. Now I'll tell you, mute your
Ma'am,
mic.
can I tell Rishik?
Yuksurana, we will not write in this way. The presentation of writing the answer is wrong. I will explain. Yes, Rishik Bajaj. Please explain, Rishik. Your mic is mute.
Yes. Ma'am,
Tell me
Ma'am.
fast.
ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, 10. Yes, ma'am. 10 and 15 and 5:30 we will minus. And the answer is 4 hour and 85 minutes.
85 minutes तो नहीं आएंगे. Just check. If you minus from 10, 15, you are subtracting 5:30 and then you are finding, then 85 minutes नहीं आएंगे बेटा. See, if minus का rule भी मैं आपको explain कर देती हूँ, how you will find. Now you can check here, it is 10:15, here is 5:30. So 15 minus 30 is not possible. So what we do, we take 1 hour in the minutes column. This is hours column. This is minutes column. We take 1 hour to the minutes, and then we may convert the hour in the minutes. It will become 60. So यहाँ पर हमने 60 minutes इसके साथ और plus कर दिए, which we have taken from here. Now it is 75 minutes, and from 75 minutes you subtract 30. Got it? हमेशा 1 hour जब minutes में convert होता है तो it is showing 60 minutes. So 75 minus 30 is what?
45.
And 9 minus 5 is what?
4.
4 hours 45 minutes. Because it's in hours column, it's in minutes column. Yuksurana, now you understood how to write the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
4 hours 45 minutes. This is one method which I explain you according to Rishik Bajaj. The another method you can count on the fingers also. From starting time, Ahana, I don't know what she is looking for. She is not looking on the board. Bhakti Thamar is not at that place. She is not at her place. 5:30. So from 5:30 to 6:30 is 1 hour. 6:30 to 7:30 is another hour. 7:30 to 8:30, because we will go till the ending time, till 10:30 तक हमें जाना, but it is not 10:30. So we counted from 5:30 to 6:30, 6:30 to 7:30, 7:30 to 8:30, 8:30 to 9:30. Now, why I am not counting 10:30? Because it is not a complete hour. So I will not count 10:30. I will count till 9:30. There are 4 hours. And after 9:30, I will count in the minutes. There are 45 minutes. From 9:30, yes, if you count from 9:30, wait a minute, Priya. From 9:30 to 10:15, if you count the minutes on the clock, you will see 45 minutes. This is also the one way of counting the time duration. On the fingers also you can do. And by subtracting also you can do. And one more method I will tell you. Wait a minute. 9:30, no, I want to show you. Yes. See, the 9:30 timing is here. And after 9:30, if you count 5 minutes till 10:15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. So 4 hours, 45 minutes. Am I clear with you all? Till yeah, I'm clear. Yes, Priya. Ask now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to tell that first we will, the timing is 5 o'clock 30. 5 o'clock 30 p.m. and the
5 o'clock 30 p.m. We cannot say like time like this. It's 5:30 p.m.
5:30. 5:30
Yes.
p.m. And she comes at home. It's 10:15 p.m. So first we will go to first hour hand.
First hour, yes.
So it will be 6:30, 7:30,
Yes.
8:30, and 9:30.
Yes.
And then we will add the half an hour to it. So
Yes.
it will be 10 o'clock. And we will add
15 minutes to it.
10 minutes to it.
Very good. Very good. There are several methods of doing this. Yes, you.
Ma'am, one more method is this. I have counted 5:50 to 10, no, 5:30 to 10:30. I get 5 hours
Subtracted also, yeah.
and I have subtracted 15 minutes from 5 hours. So I have get 4 hours, 45 minutes.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. There are several methods to do this. Okay, now I am giving you one task. Your annual function. You all know annual functions happen when the school was open. We always have an annual function in the December. Okay, so annual function started at, you invite your parents and family members in the annual function. They come to the school. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And on the, we give the invitation card that your annual function start at this time and ends at this time. देते हैं कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
So पेरेंट्स उसी से अंदाजा लगा लेते हैं कि कितने कितने टाइम के लिए हमें स्कूल में जाना है, कितने आवर्स का फंक्शन है, होता है कि
Yes, ma'am.
yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, the annual function start at 10:30, 6:30, sorry, and it ends at, this is the starting time. This is the starting time, and the annual function ends at 8:45 p.m. p.m.
Ma'am, I can tell how
No,
much time.
no. Wait. This is the ending time. I will tell the child name here. He tell me how many hours you spend for the annual function. Your parents came to home to see the annual function, suppose, and how many hours they spend in the school to see the annual function.
2 hours.
2 hours. And any minutes are there?
Yes.
How many minutes? Excellent. Clap for yourself. Everyone clap for here. Excellent. 6:30 to 7:30 is 1 hour, and 7:30 to 8:30 is the another hour. And the gap between 8:30 to 8:45 is of 15 minutes. So we can say 2 hours. The short form of hours is HRS. I am not writing HOURS. This is the complete word. You can write this also. But the short form, if you find the HR is showing the hours. And MIN shows the minutes. So it is 2 hours, 15 minutes, MIN. And if we are writing about the seconds, that I will write in the short form SEC, which I have explained in the beginning also what are the short words for these seconds, minutes, and the hours. Very good. Now you children try one example and explain me. I will call your name. Raise your hands. I will call your name, and that child will give me some examples that you went for the play, or where you going for some trip. You started your trip at that time, and you reach on the Saputara at what time. So you can give such type of examples and try.
I can say.
Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Arnav, please.
Ma'am, me and my mother get to buy one cycle in shop. We go at 2:30 and we come at 5:45.
Okay. So how many hours you spend in the cycle shop?
2:30, 3:30 to 2:30 to 3:30. 3:30 to 4:30. 4:30 to 5:30. 5:30.
You coming at what time, Arna?
I coming.
Yes, coming back and what time?
5:45.
You have started at 2:30 and
Yes.
coming back at 5:45. Now find out. 5:45 p.m. and p.m. Yes, now tell me.
2:30 to 3:30, 1 hour. 3:30 to 3:30 to 4:30, 1 hour. And
Excuse me, ma'am.
4:30, it is 3 hours 15 minutes.
2:30 to 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. Yes, 3 hours 15 minutes. Yes, Varija.
Ma'am, now I went to play at 9:30 and came back on 10:30. So my whole time when I will play bit is 1 hour.
Your answer is right, but you need to work on your language. Okay. The answer is
Now I can say.
no. Now listen one thing, then I'll give you a chance. Mute yourself. Kush, I know. I'll give you a chance first. Raise your hand, then I will give. Now look here. One more thing I want to explain you. In this question, I was asking how much time it is taking. What is the time duration? Okay. But if I change the question, suppose I started the journey. I am going to Saputara. I am going at 10 a.m. Okay. I am going at 10 a.m. and the journey is taking 3 hours 15 minutes. So can you tell me at what time I will reach to Saputara?
1:15.
I started driving and I am going through drive.
1:15, ma'am. 1:15.
1:15 what? PM or AM? Navya, you know the answer? Navya, you know the answer? You children also go for Saputara, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने कभी पेरेंट्स से पूछा है कि हमने स्टार्ट कितने बजे किया, हम रीच कितने बजे कर रहे हैं, कितने घंटे लगते हैं वहां पे पहुंचने में? मोहम्मद, आपने ट्राई किया है?
3 hours,
Okay, now
10 hours.
okay, mute yourself now, everyone, especially Arnav Desai, Meer Virani. Mute yourself, I said, everyone, because you are not giving chance to the students whose name I am calling. Navya, I am going to Saputara. Okay, I started driving at 10 a.m. And for example, it is not a 3 hours journey, it is more than 3 hours. But for example, I am telling you that I am reaching there after 3 hours 15 minutes. Can you tell me at what time I'll reach there?
12:30.
10 के बाद आप 11, 12, 1, 3 आवर्स तो यही हो गए. हाँ, 10, 1:30 नहीं, 15 मिनट्स ही तो है.
Oh, sorry, 1:15.
1:15 AM or PM. अब आपको इस वाले टाइम, when the question is changed, the question is like that कि at what time you are reaching. The question is not like that how many hours it is taking. The question is at what time you are reaching there. So you need to write Varija, sit properly. Yes, Mir Virani, go. 1:15 PM you will write. Am I clear now? It depends on the language of the question, what they are saying, asking. If they are asking what time you are reaching, then you write the time with the AM or PM. If they are asking how much time it is taking, what is the time duration to do the activity, then you will write the answer in the hours and minutes, depend on the language. Am I clear? Okay, now everyone open the page number 36. Sorry, 39.
Ma'am, can I give an example?
I will ask in the HRM. Those who have not got the chance here, they will get the chance in the HRM.
Okay, ma'am.
Please open, please, it is compulsory to attend the HRM. And it is continue, after this class, there is a HRM, so don't leave the class. Okay, I'm going to present the screen. Wait a minute.
Page number
39. I have explained on that day also, page number 39, as Yogic is asking that nowadays we not going to the school, that how can we write that what is the lunch break timing and what is the games period. But before this year, you were there in the school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to write that time. Timetable will not change. The time period of the lunch break will not change. It will be same. Whenever you will come back to the school, most probably your time period of this will be same. So how much time you get for the lunch?
Ma'am, half an hour?
Yeah, 30
30 minutes?
Yes.
Ma'am, around 30 minutes.
Around 30 minutes. And how much time you will get for the games period?
1 hour.
1 hour, ma'am.
You can write that whatever timings you get.
Ma'am,
And now what do you think? Your regular periods and your games period are of same interval? Same?
No, ma'am.
Arnav Desai, please sit alone in the class.
Ma'am, the other periods
Mohammad
are not
Patel,
same.
stop presenting, my dear. Yes. I will stop my presentation. Wait a minute. Mohammed, please don't do next time. My screen is visible to you all?
no ma'am. Now
I will present.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but our other periods also, the study period also take 1 hour, so all the periods are same.
No, it is not taking similar. When you come back to the school, you please notice this. The games period is, I think, you getting more compared to the other periods. How
Okay,
many
ma'am.
times can you do these activities? Make a guess and then click at home. Children, then check at home. Children, I really suggest you to do these activities at home. Boiling 1 liter milk, and how you will check this, that how much time it is taking. Either you put the stopwatch, right? For example, I'll show you here. I have a stopwatch in my clock. I'll start the stopwatch and I will start the activity. For example, it's a 00 timing, it's showing. Now I keep the milk in some boiling, in some bowl or something, and then I keep it on the flame, and then I'll check that how much time it is taking to boil 1 liter milk. It's written no 1 liter milk.
Yes, ma'am.
कितनी देर लगती है उसको, तो आप स्टॉप वॉच पे चेक कर सकते हो. और you can check, for example, you are doing this activity in the morning. For example, you are doing this activity in the morning 7:30, and then when you are doing this, after doing your water, your milk is boiled completely, then you now don't do this, Avarinya, please pay attention here. And when the milk is fully boiled, now you can check the timing, at what time, how much time it has taken. For example, I'll show you here in the clock. अगर आपने 9 o'clock से शुरू की थी वो boil पे रखना, 9:30 से, sorry, and then you have checked कि वो सुई सिर्फ इतनी ही बड़ी है.
Ma'am,
So how many minutes it has taken to boil the milk? Now you can check the minute hand and see कितना time it has taken to boil the water, boil the milk. Please check here in the clock. I hope my clock is visible to you all. Please tell me.
ma'am,
Please tell me, students, what time this clock is showing. मैंने 9:30 पे boil करने
9:30.
के लिए रखा था milk. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I have started at 9:30 और वो 9:30 से सिर्फ एक ही step आगे बढ़ी है.
means 9:31.
Yes. So how many minutes it has taken to boil the milk?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
1 minute. So this way you can check. This way you can also check that how many minutes the activity is taking. आप जब start कर रहे हो, उसके बाद आपने सपोज एक्टिविटी कितने बजे स्टार्ट करी करना बॉइल वाटर, और वो कितने बजे तक बॉइल हुआ, देन हाउ यू विल सी इन द क्लॉक ओनली ना, एंड देन राइट द टाइमिंग इन दिस.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, you said stopwatch. You said there is three zeros. मतलब 6 zeros. First is second zeros. Second is hour zero. Third there is third zeros.
Yes.
The last zero. There is. Yes, it is 1. There is 3 minutes. Okay.
Seconds it is.
Second.
Then
Sometimes-
when 60, yes, when 60
Ma'am,
seconds will be
sometimes-
converted, it will come in the minutes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my mobile, there are 4 times.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Means seconds also, and then 2 zeros more. That is
Don't get
millisecond.
yourself don't get yourself confused.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
I will not answer.
Ma'am, my mom wants to talk to you.
Yes, wait. So children, I will wait a minute. Now listen carefully, everyone. First of all, I will send a worksheet based on the time duration. You need to complete it. If any doubts, ask me tomorrow. I will end up the class here. Then I will start the HRM. Continue. Don't leave.